just woke up like 30 minutes ago. That's why I look so sleepy. I'm on my way to a nail appointment. I'm gonna get my nails done for my birthday. I told the girl that I kind of want to do a, oh my gosh, I need to go. A brown set, kind of do like brown and nude colors, but now I'm gonna tell her if we can add like black to the brown set that we're doing, because I'm wearing a brown dress tomorrow when I go out, which is Friday, with my friends, well, with one of my friends, and Saturday is when I'm going out with Diego and all of our friends like together. And for that day, I have a croissant with strawberry jelly. I don't know if it's good. I usually would eat this with Nutella, but don't have Nutella. I actually ran out, so I was like, let me try it with some strawberry jelly. Not bad. Sorry. The dress that I'm wearing on Saturday is like black and white. I don't know how to explain it. So I'm like, if I do brown, no, it's not really gonna match the outfit. So I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do, honestly. I guess we'll see when I get there. This is what my nails look like right now. So nasty looking. Me just trying to show off my ring. So I'll see you guys after my nail appointment. Okay, so I'm back now. I just got my nails done. It's been like 3.5 hours later. It did take a while, but I was kind of expecting that because I pretty much got almost every nail different. And I got rhinestones and designs, and it was really cute. They look really cute. But when I get stuff done like this, I always block off enough time, because I like for whoever's like doing my nails and stuff to take their time and do like a good job. And she did amazing. I went to a new girl and she did so good, and she's literally like 10 minutes from my house, so like perfect. So I'm gonna show you my nails now. But I got the thumb and the pinky the same. It's like a black tip with like these little designs on them, and then my middle finger and my index finger are brown, and they have like a heart when you put the nails together. I can't really do it on camera, but you can kind of tell. And then this finger is like a brown and black marble moment. Super cute. So yeah, my nails are a little extra, but they're so pretty. The reason I wanted to kind of do them like this was because I'm wearing a brown outfit on Friday, tomorrow, and on Saturday I'm wearing a dress that's like black and white, black and cream, and so I just needed something to match both of them. So I feel like this was really cute, and I wanted something extra, and I love just how every nail is pretty much different. So yeah, she did a really good job. I love the shape of the nails, I love the length, everything feels really cute. Now I'm debating if I like what color I should do my toes. Should I do white, or should I do like black tips or black nails? I don't know. But I'm probably gonna go home and eat now, and then I'm going to probably get my toenails done. If not, I have a massage appointment later today. Damn, was that? Fuck, I missed my exit. Are you kidding me? Okay, so I'll just be back and let you guys know what I'm doing later today. I just finished doing my hair, so I'm just gonna clip some of it back so that I can go ahead and get started with my makeup. My hair didn't really turn out as I wanted it to, so I'm kind of annoyed, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. I'm gonna be using the CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion. This is what I use for my face, and I feel like it really hydrates my skin really well. So today I bought some new makeup that I really want to try. So now I'm gonna go in with my, oh my gosh, I can't do anything with my nails. With the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. And I'm really just gonna put that on my cheeks and my nose area. So I kind of have my T-zone, but not really, just this area. I don't really feel like I need it on my chin or my forehead. Actually, maybe I should. I have a really bad wrinkle right here. Okay. So I'm gonna let that set for a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Fix Plus spray. So I just bought this today and I haven't used Fix Plus in such a long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. Ooh, that feels really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some brow gel. I'm trying a new one today, so hopefully it's good. I've heard really good things about this. This is the NYX Brow Glue. So hopefully it's good. I've been using the Anastasia brow gel lately. And I don't know, I feel like it's not as good as it used to be. Or maybe back then I just really loved it. But when I used it again, I just like wasn't a fan of it. So this is the brow glue. Look at my birthday nails, aren't they so cute? When you put these two together, they make little hearts. So I'll be using this one, and I'm gonna be using a different spoolie. I don't wanna go in with the one that it comes with because it's kind of small. So, if y'all see me looking down right here, it's because I have a mirror right here. So this is the mirror that I'm using. Oh, wow. This is really nice. Look at that, OMG, okay. Pretty down. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever foundation. And it's kind of like a base because this one's honestly pretty sheer, but I feel like it lasts a long time. Oh, it's kind of light for me right now. I just tanned my body. Oh my God, it's so light. I'll just use a lot of bronzer. And I just like how it photographs, so I'll be using this as a base. And then, because I really want to do like full coverage everything today. I haven't gotten super glammed in a while, so I really just want to go all out. Okay, so that's how my base looks. I'm gonna go in with some of this one. I feel like that looks pretty good. Just gonna blend that out with the brush too. Okay, I'm gonna look for any fine lines. I think it looks pretty good, honestly. That's why I really like this brush. I feel like it doesn't leave any fine lines. I'm just going over with this just to double check, but I feel like it looks pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my cream bronzer. Oh, this isn't cream bronzer. This is actually a foundation. This is the Makeup Forever HD foundation. And I'm just using it in a darker shade. I like to use a foundation as a cream bronzer because I feel like it adds more coverage, and in my cheek area I feel like that's where I need more coverage sometimes, and I don't like to add more foundation. So this kind of just helps give that coverage and the contour look that I'm wanting. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm using this in a lighter shade. This is medium neutral. And I'm just going to blend that out. Actually, I'm gonna use a brush. I just bought this brush from Morphe actually, and it's actually a brush that you use to blend out eye makeup. So I'm gonna be using this one, get it a little tacky. Okay.
Wow. That looks so good. I'm pretty impressed.
I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Grwm blush. Okay, so this is the blush that I got. Super cute. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can never finish that sentence. I went in with the same brush that I used to blend out my contour. So now I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Banana. This is my all-time favorite powder. There, I turned on my light a little bit. I feel like the lighting looks better that way. And then I'm just pressing everything in. I'm gonna go with my Benefit bronzer in the shade Caramel. And I'm just going to lightly use this. Is that a good color? I think it's a good color. So I'm gonna use this big brush by Morphe. This is the M527 brush. And I'm just going to go like that. Top off any excess, and I'm just gonna go really fast. Okay, so just like lightly. Wow, that looks so beautiful. This is definitely my shade right now. I love it. Just going all over. My friend's gonna pick me up in an hour. I need to hurry. All right, now I'm gonna go in with blush. What I like to do, actually, I think I'm gonna probably do this last. Yeah, we're gonna do this last because I like to add blush underneath my eyes as well. So I'm gonna grab some more powder and just add some underneath the eye so that if I have any fallout, I can wipe it away because I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with blush, and I'm gonna go in with this blush like I showed you guys. I've never used it, but we will see. Oh, it looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna wipe away any excess, and I'm just gonna go directly under my eye. And I feel like that just helps kind of blend in the blush and doesn't make my eyes look as bright, if that makes sense. What was I gonna do? Oh, my bronzer. I'm gonna go back in with this bronzer and my big brush and kind of just go over my nose because I kind of forgot to do my nose. All right, now I'm gonna go in with highlights. The reason I'm finishing off my face is because I'm gonna go in with mascara, but I like to do my setting spray. I literally cannot do anything with my nose. I'm gonna go in with the setting spray before I've done my mascara. So I'm just gonna go in with this big brush right here, and this is the highlighter that I'm using. This is Whisper of Guilt by MAC. It's so beautiful, and I'm just gonna add it to my cheeks. I don't want to add a lot like a line, so just, you know, for that glow. Because everything else that I have on is pretty matte. So before I finish off my eyes, I'm gonna go in with some lip plumper. This is the Too Faced Lip Injections Extreme. And this is in like this red shade. It's not like super red or anything, but I'm gonna apply this so by the time I do my lipstick, my lips are already plump. So let's do that. I think this is supposed to add a tint to your lips. That's a really pretty color. So I do overline my lips, but I'm not gonna overline it with this because I've done that before and my skin will literally turn red if I put it anywhere else other than my lips. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. Okay, so I went ahead and took off the plumper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. This is the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in the shade So Rare. These are my lashes, they're nice and fluffy. I'm gonna use a new lipstick by NYX that I got today as well, and this is in the shade Canes. It's a soft matte lip cream, and this is like a mauve shade, I think. It is beautiful. I wanted to do matte lips today. That is so pretty. And I always go back in with the lip liner and kind of just outline the lips again. That is it for this makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, I almost pulled out my extensions. Finish getting ready and I'll show you guys the final product. Okay, excuse the mess, but this is what I'm wearing. Just a cute little brown dress with some black heels. I'm wearing black heels because it's cold outside and I'm gonna be wearing this little black coat. So yeah, this is the look. So cute. And this is the makeup.